In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Instagram support. If you've ever had an issue on Instagram and didn't know how to actually reach someone for help, this walkthrough is for you. I'll guide you step by step through the built-in help tools, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to get in touch with Instagram's support assistant. First, open your browser and go to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into the account you need help with, because the support options you see are tied to the account that's currently signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Instagram home dashboard, where you normally see your feed. Now look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a menu option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This opens a small menu with different options related to your profile and settings. We're going to use this menu to get into the main settings area, where all the support tools live. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open a new page or panel with a list of different categories down the left-hand side. Take a moment to let the page fully load, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. Once it's open, you'll see things like account, privacy, and other configuration options. On the left-hand column, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Just above the Privacy Center option, you'll see a section labeled Help. Click on Help. This is where Instagram gathers all of its official support resources. So it's the main starting point for anything related to troubleshooting or contacting them. Inside the Help section, you'll see an option called Help Center. Click on Help Center. This will open the official Instagram Help Center in a new tab or window. The Help Center includes articles and guides, but what we want is the support assistant that appears on this page. Look toward the bottom right corner of the Help Center page. You should see a chat-like icon or panel for the Meta AI support assistant. Click into the message field there. You can start by typing a simple greeting or a brief description of your issue, then click the send icon to begin the conversation. From here, the assistant will guide you through questions, give you relevant help articles, and in some cases, help you submit a report or contact support directly, depending on your problem. And that's it. Follow these steps whenever you need help, and you'll be able to reach Instagram's support tools quickly and efficiently.